What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at what is an IGT wine in Italy and how to pronounce the full name in Italian. But let's start with what is an IGT wine in Italy. Well, IGT is the third of four classification levels in Italian wine classification system, below the DOCG, which is the highest classification, such as the Barolos or the Barbarescos or the Chiantis. Below the DOCGs are going to be the DOC wines, which is the majority of appellations in Italy, all the villages that you know, DOCs such as Moscato, d'Asti or Proseccos. And below those are going to be the IGT wines, which are called at a European level the IGP wines, or protected geographical indications of origins. In Italy they are called the typical geographical indication of origins, and that comes down in Italian to IGT, or Indicazione Geografica Tipica, IGT. The Italians say, instead of IGT, they said I.g.t. wines. You're going to have some of the Super Tuscans. Those are pretty broad areas, generally regional appellations such as I.g.t. Toscana, I.g.t. Sicilia, or I.g.t. Abruzzo, for example. Indicazione Geografica Tipica. Indicazione Geografica Tipica wines. The Super Tuscans are IGT wines because they don't respect the Chianti appellations rules, because they do contain more Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot, for example, in addition to the Sangiovese. IGT wines, Indicazione Geografica Tipica. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Have a look around my YouTube channel if you like learning more about wine, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.